You can drink sea salt water to flush out toxins from your system and detoxify your body inside out. You see, every day we eat food, a lot of which is not nutritional to the body. Fast food, junk food, snacks, beverages loaded with preservatives, suppressed emotions, carbon dioxide inhalation, etc. The body excretes whatever is not needed. However, not all the waste matter manages to leave the body. Especially when we eat food with little or no roughage, the waste that cannot exit the body accumulates in our intestines, lines our colon, and then a lot of it is absorbed into our blood. Impurities inside our bodies can show up as breakouts, pimples, acne, fever, diarrhea, or even severe and chronic illnesses. Hence, it is important to flush out these toxins and chemicals from our bodies. While there are many ways to detox, like fasting, doing an enema, etc., a sea salt water flush is the easiest and the most harmless to do, with almost no side effects. When you wake up first thing in the morning, take about a liter of lukewarm water in a glass jar and add about 2 teaspoons or 1 tablespoon of pure organic non-iodized sea salt to it. Then stir until the salt fully dissolves in the water. Now drink this mixture fast. Because of the salt in the water, the organs in our stomach will try to digest the food. This way, the salt goes through the digestive system into the intestines to clear old fecal matter and other toxins in the body stored inside for years. Chemicals that did not pass through excretion thus got accumulated inside. Note that this does not work with just water, as the body does not recognize water as food. There has to be salt in it for the body to consider it as food, thereby pass it through the digestive system. But ensure it is non-iodized salt, else the body will absorb it. The idea is for the salt water to flush through the body without absorption, as the salt cleanses the excreta in the intestines and colon. The salt water does not taste good, so if you like, you can add some lemon juice to it. When you drink this concentrated salt water, you may feel like throwing up if you are not used to drinking so much salt water at one go, like a little nauseous. So adding lemon is a good idea. Or get slight stomach cramps, but nothing major really. You may not feel anything at all if you maintain good health in general. After drinking the salt water, wait for about 30 to 45 minutes. Then when you feel the pressure, go to the toilet and pass your stool. You will be amazed at all that comes out. You may have to go to the toilet a few times to flush out everything as the salt water forces bowel movement. The latter visits to the toilet can bring out more liquid stool than solid stool, as you see lumps of debris flushing through your system. This method is also a great way to lose some weight. Weigh yourself before and after the flush and see the difference. Do this on a holiday or the weekend so you can spend half a day clearing out your system. Don't schedule important appointments or dates within a few hours of the flush. You know why. Haha. And don't do this every day. You can do this once a fortnight or once a month, depending on how much toxin your body needs to flush out. You can definitely do this after a party night of junk food and unhealthy binging. And do not drink sea water instead. You are asked to mix organic, non-iodized sea salt which can be acquired at your local grocery store with pure fountain water, filtered water, or distilled water for this process. Seawater may be contaminated, hence never recommended to drink it. It can cause severe dehydration and even death from drinking too much seawater. Also, if you have a medical condition like cardiovascular disease or high blood pressure, consult your doctor before doing the sea salt flush. Generally, it is a safe practice. Still, prevention is better than cure. And don't do this if you are pregnant. And lastly, to release all that is old and dirt, the debris and the accumulated garbage from the past, and welcome the new and positive change into your life. Start with a commitment to nurturing good health and wellness. Happy New Year, folks!